Welcome to the Department of Commerce Electronic Certificate of Origin system. In this video, I will demonstrate how to request blank papers required to print certificates of origin using the Electronic Certificate of Origin system. Moving forward, this will be the standard way of communicating your request for blank paper with the Department of Commerce. First, navigating to the dashboard, I will click on the blank paper tile. This directs me to the blank paper page where I am given a summary of all the blank papers I have, along with the total count of papers as well as the count issued and unused papers categorized under various trade agreements. In order to request a set of blank papers from the Department of Commerce, go ahead and click the Request button on the top right. I am now prompted to select an agreement under which I require blank papers from the drop-down list, along with the total number of papers to be requested from the Department of Commerce. Once I click Submit, I will receive an email which looks like this confirming my request for blank papers. Now let me skip ahead in time to show you what a response from the Department of Commerce for blank paper request would look like. As you can see within this email, the Department of Commerce has approved my blank paper request for 50 ISFTA blank papers. And the email is informing me to visit the Department of Commerce to collect my blank papers. Now please ensure that the certificates of origin that you print are done on Department of Commerce given blank papers to you, as the Department of Commerce keeps track of all the blank papers handed over to each exporter and performs a blank paper validation check when an exporter brings printed certificates of origin to the Department of Commerce for signatures. If this blank paper validation check is unsuccessful, it will result in your certificate of origin being rejected. This concludes the blank paper tutorial. Thank you for watching.